This Century 21 Howe Realty and Auction property video is presented by Candace Underwood. Ready to move into home is in a great location, convenient to schools and shopping. Mature trees shade the front and backyards of this corner lot so you can enjoy the large front porch. 3-bedroom, 2-bath split floor plan. Large living room with built-in cabinetry for your TV. Big kitchen with island, lots of cabinets and countertop space, stove and refrigerator included. Roomy master bedroom with walk-in closet, master bath with garden tub. Separate laundry room. Bonus area near extra bedrooms, great desk location. Cathedral ceilings throughout. Blinds and window treatments to remain. Storage building does not convey. For more information, review the details below or contact Candace Underwood at 423-337-935.